guys, welcome to the Lotus makeup channel. In today's video I'll be sharing the very famous trend in 2023, that is whimsical eyeshadow.
So basically, whimsical eyeshadow is such eyeshadow where you use metallics and create more like a futuristic eye look. So here I'm taking a matte brown eyeshadow and applying it in the shape of a fish. As you can see, you can create this look, and this can be worn with the Indian dress, or if you're using a pop of color, you can even use it with your western dress. Once you are done with your base eyeshadow, we will move towards the metallics. For that, I'm using this Lotus makeup eyeshadow palette which has 4 shimmery shades. For today's look, I'm taking this beautiful golden shimmer and applying it all over my lid. It is better to use your fingers when applying shimmer eyeshadows for better pigmentation, and this is how my eye look turned out. You can always add some mascara and eyeliner to complete your look. Today I'm using this Lotus makeup Maxlash mascara, which is very volumizing and lengthening mascara, and it is also waterproof. And this is the final look. You can even wear this look on everyday basis because I have used a very neutral color. And yeah, this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.